Hi, I'm Ricky.
And I'm Jeff.
Today we're going to be talking about our Surrey, BC real estate market predictions for this year in 2024. And make sure you stick around to the very end of this video because we're going to be going over a lot of things regarding the Surrey, BC real estate market. So Jeff, how do you think the overall economic climate will affect Surrey, BC's real estate market this year in 2024?
Well, the overall economical climate plays a pivotal role in shaping the real estate market in Surrey. And there are some key factors we need to consider for this year. Firstly, the interest rate environment dictated by the Bank of Canada is a critical influencer. If interest rates rise, some economics predict it could lead to increased mortgage costs, potentially cooling the market by making home buying less affordable for a segment of potential buyers. However, if rates remain stable or increase only slightly, the impact might be less pronounced. So let's see what the Bank of Canada says the next announcement that's happening on January 24th and then again on March the 6th of this year. Secondly, the local employment rate and economic growth in Surrey and the surrounding regions will significantly affect the real estate market. A strong job market typically boosts consumer confidence, leading to more home buying activity.
How do you feel about where we are headed in terms of immigration and real estate? Remember our second podcast episode we did about the population of Surrey, BC surpassing the population of Vancouver by the year 2029 or 2030?
Yes, Rick. Surrey has become a very popular destination for new immigrants, as well as people coming here from all over other parts of BC and Canada, which increases housing demand. If these trends continue, we could see sustained demand, especially in certain neighborhoods that are particularly attractive to newcomers. We also shouldn't overlook the broader national and global economical trends. Factors like trade policies, global economical stability, and commodity prices can indirectly influence local real estate markets. For instance, a strong national economy often translates into better local economical conditions, which is good news for real estate.
Awesome. Thanks for that, Jeff. And I wanted to just go back to the whole interest rate thing here for a quick second. Do you think that we will have a really busy spring market this year in Surrey, BC? As many people are saying that if interest rates come down, there's going to be a crazy rush to buy and sell real estate, even though many people have been feeling a financial crunch lately due to the cost of living as a whole.
Well, Rick, as we look ahead to the spring market in Surrey, BC, several indicators can help us gauge whether it'll be a typical busy season. Historically, spring is a peak time for real estate activity, but current market dynamics and external factors will play a significant role in shaping this year's trends. If the rates remain stable or see a modest increase, it could encourage buyers to enter the market hoping to lock in favorable mortgage terms. Now, however, if rates rise significantly, it may deter some potential buyers, particularly first-time home buyers who are more sensitive to such changes. Another factor to consider is the inventory levels. If there's a healthy supply of homes for sale, it can lead to more dynamic markets, offering more choices for buyers and fostering a competitive environment for sellers. On the other hand, limited inventory could lead to a more constrained market, possibly driving up prices, but resulting in fewer transactions. Additionally, demographical trends such as continued interest from both local and international buyers can sustain market activity. Surrey's attractiveness as a residential destination due to its amenities, quality of life, and relatively more affordable homes or housing options compared to Vancouver can also contribute to a busy spring market.
Sorry to cut you off there, Jeff, but if any of you are planning on making the move to Surrey, BC or anywhere in the Fraser Valley or Metro Vancouver area, don't forget to give us a call. The number will be in the description below. We absolutely love getting reach outs from all of you, so please make sure to call, text, or email us if you're planning on making the move out here or around the area. And you can get yourself a free JC Homes hoodie like the one I'm wearing right now in this video. All you have to do is drop a comment in the comment section of any one of our videos on YouTube after subscribing to our channel, the Surrey, BC Real Estate Podcast, and write the words, "I have subscribed," and I will send you out an absolutely free JC Homes hoodie. Absolutely free, no hidden charges at all, I promise you. Now back into the video, Jeff, my last question here before we sign off here. I wanted to know, what is your outlook for the Surrey, BC real estate market this year, even with all the new rules and regulations that have came in over the past few months here, because there's been quite a few changes in real estate?
Well, Ricky, despite these regulatory changes, Surrey continues to have strong fundamentals. Its growing economy, increasing population due to immigration, and interprovincial migration, and the expansion of infrastructure and amenities make it an attractive destination for home buyers and investors alike. However, buyers and sellers should be prepared for a potentially more balanced market this year. The days of rapid price increasing might be tempered, leading to more stable and sustainable growth. This could be beneficial in the long run, preventing the kinds of market bubbles and subsequent corrections that can be determined by both homeowners and the overall economy. Now, in summary, while the new rules and regulations introduce some uncertainties, the Surrey real estate market still holds a strong potential for 2024. It's likely to be a year of adjustments and stability, which could be a healthy reset following the high dynamic market conditions over the past few years. As always, individual circumstances vary, so I advise consulting with a real estate professional like myself to help you navigate these changes effectively. Additionally, there's an increased focus on affordable housing initiatives. The government's efforts to increase supply of affordable housings could help alleviate some of the demand pressures, especially for first-time home buyers and lower income families. However, the effectiveness of these initiatives in cooling the market will depend on the pace and scale of implementation. So let's see what happens this year.
Thanks so much for that, Jeff. And that wraps up our Surrey, BC real estate market predictions video for 2024. Thanks for joining us on the Surrey, BC Real Estate Podcast, episode 64. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate content just like this. Drop your comments below and make sure to check us out on most audio streaming platforms as well. And definitely join our TikTok channel, the BC Real Estate Podcast, if you're into videos that are much shorter but still very much informative. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and we'll see you on the next episode. Bye, everyone.